Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this iconic Teletubbies sun video edit in CapCut PC. So I'll just be using this. Obviously you want to use a more yellow sun video, but I just have this on hand. Go to mask and go to circle on the baby's face and create a circle, and you're going to feather it out just a little bit and you're going to place it in the middle of the sun. Then you're going to go to blend mode and select whichever one suits the video the best. Maybe the darkened one. I'll just go with this, and let's go to adjustments and make it so it blends more with the video. So I'm just going to adjust the temp. You're going to adjust it to your own video, of course. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.